Hi guys, I recently received the anti-pigmentation skincare kit from the brand called Inveda. This anti-pigmentation kit by Inveda removes signs of pigmentation like discolored skin patches, stops acne from growing, and evenly balances the presence of melanin pigment in your skin. The result of using this anti-pigmentation skincare kit from the brand Inveda is that you get a clear skin, improved skin texture, balanced skin oil, and also a balanced pH level. Starting with the face wash, it cleverly infuses the hydra boost and clears out all the junk in just one wash. So the kit includes Neem face wash, one whitening cream, one anti-pigmentation blend, and one sunscreen. Then the anti-pigmentation blend is a lightweight serum formula that deeply penetrates up to 7 skin layers and deletes the dark age spots with ease. You can also mix it with whitening and depigmentation cream and then apply. The whitening cream targets the old dark spots and erases them efficiently. You can apply this wherever you have a lot of hyperpigmentation or dark spots. Then I wrap up the skincare routine with the sunscreen containing SPF 30 from Inveda. The sunscreen creates a protective shield and saves your skin from harmful sun rays. So I hope you like this video. To purchase this anti-pigmentation skincare kit and explore other products by the brand Inveda, you can go and check out their Instagram handle in the description below. Use my coupon code Simran B10 for 10% discount. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.